This video introduces IME solutions. IME delivers solutions within the processing industry that generate high returns. IME works with clients to discover opportunities to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of a processing plant, considering production processes, equipment, workers, and organizational goals and objectives. It is a data-driven approach that delivers insight and grows experiential knowledge while engaging the client team to co-design fit-for-purpose improvement initiatives. IME implements metrics to quantify and track the performance changes throughout the implementation of improvement initiatives. IME uses plant-specific data, including everything from control systems to laboratory insights, quality metrics, equipment data, and financial figures. Together with our clients, the IME team assesses each model, identifying the factors that contribute to inconsistent performance and identifying areas of loss. This collaborative approach is the cornerstone to optimizing plant operations, client team engagement, and delivering sustainable solutions. IME collaborates with clients to extract actionable information from plant data. It involves analyzing data collected from industrial processes and turning it into insights that drive decision-making. The time and state platform plays a crucial role by converting real-time data into valuable information. For reliability engineers, this means having access to timely insights that enable informed decisions. Here's how it benefits them. Maintenance strategy. The project delivers multivariable models to provide early warnings of equipment performance degradation. These models help predict when equipment might start underperforming, allowing for predictive and preventive maintenance. Failure analysis. Time and state diagnostics offer an unbiased view of the root cause of failures. By understanding why failures occur, reliability engineers can develop initiatives to prevent repeat failures. Monitoring. The time and state real-time system continuously monitors equipment performance and provides early warnings of potential failures. These models can even detect potential failures up to 6 weeks in advance. Team learning. IME collaborates with clients during the analysis and development of models. This collaborative effort fosters team learning and ensures a shared understanding of issues impacting equipment performance. The benefits of these approaches are substantial. Reduced maintenance costs, increased equipment reliability and availability, higher production rates, efficient maintenance practices translate to better production output, improved quality and process stability. Reliable equipment contributes to consistent quality and stable processes and lower production costs. In summary, IME's approach empowers reliability engineers to optimize equipment performance, enhance reliability, and drive overall operational excellence. Contact us by sending an email to ime@imesolutions.biz. We will provide you with a solution that addresses your maintenance and reliability requirements.